Selain kota besar seperti Makassar, wilayah lain yang jadi target perbaikan layanan komunikasi adalah wilayah Papua. Penambahan jaringan komunikasi serta hadirnya layanan 5G diharapkan jadi jalan untuk memudahkan warga menikmati layanan komunikasi yang jauh lebih baik.
So this is the importance that effective utilization of spectrum. On the other side, there are close to 15,000 physical sites which is duplicate. So over a period of time, we can eliminate that. So that leads to a lot of saving. It is not helping anyone. Just because there is one side from their side, one side from here, and then we finally do. So that will lead to a lot of saving for this merged company, and that saving can be invested on 5G, on expanding 4G. We want to take our network.